Hey guys, this is Evan from EzOrigami, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold an origami cat. All you'll need is a single square sheet of paper. If this is your first time folding this model, I recommend using a 6-inch or larger square. And if you enjoy this tutorial, be sure to check out my brand new book, Origami Made Easy. The link is in the description below. And I'm going to be using paper with color on one side and white on the other just to make it a bit easier to follow along. Once you've prepared your paper, then you want to start with your square with the white side up, and then we're going to rotate the paper slightly so that it's held like a diamond. And we're going to start by folding in half vertically. So take this right corner and fold it over to the left corner. Align the corners and the edges. Then make your crease. And then unfold. And now we're going to fold in half in the opposite direction. So this time take the top corner and fold it down to the bottom corner. Align the corners and the edges. Then make your crease. And now we're going to fold down the two top corners and align them with this bottom corner here. So let's start on the right side, and we want to lift up this top right corner, and we want to pull it down and over to the left until both corners are aligned at the bottom. Once the corners and the edges are aligned, then you can make a sharp crease through all layers. And then we want to do the same thing on the left. So this time lift up the top left corner, pull it down and over to the right until both corners are aligned at that bottom corner there. Then you can make a sharp crease through all layers. And the model should once again be symmetrical. And now we're going to fold up both flaps that we just folded down to create the cat's ears. So let's start with this flap on the right, and we just want to pull it up and over to the right like this. We want our new crease to pivot from this right corner, so just continue pulling it up and over to the right until it hits that corner like that. I also like to try to create a 90-degree angle between these two flaps at the top of the model here. Those are the two references I like to use, but feel free to adjust this to taste. And again, remember that this is going to become one of the cat's ears. And once the flap generally looks like this, then you can make a sharp crease through all layers. And then we want to do the same thing on the left. So this time lift up the remaining flap from the bottom and pull it up and over to the left, again pivoting from that left corner there. I like to try to create a 90-degree angle between these two flaps on top, so I'll need to slightly adjust the flap. And the goal here is to make the left side symmetrical with the right side, so just try to line up the flaps in the center of the model as well. And once everything is mostly aligned, then you can make your crease. And now you've created the cat's ears. And now we're going to fold down this top corner to shape the cat's head. So we're going to do that by lifting up all layers on the top of the model, and we want to pull down that top corner like this. There's no exact reference point for this, but essentially we're trying to create a horizontal crease that connects both of the ears. You do want to make sure that that top corner aligns with the vertical creases in the center of the model. So once everything is symmetrical and it looks something like this, then you can make a sharp crease through all layers. And then you can turn the model over. And now we're going to fold up the bottom corner to create the nose. So from here you want to grab both layers of paper at the bottom of the model, and you want to fold them up like this about halfway up the model. You want to make sure that the corners align with the vertical crease as well, and then you can make a crease through both layers. Then we want to lift up this color triangle, so we're just going to grab a single layer of paper, and we want to pull it down like this as far as it goes. So we're just unfolding a single layer of paper so that we have this white triangle on the bottom. Then we actually want to tuck this white triangle inside the model. So I like to do that by lifting up this top group of layers, and at the same time folding this bottom corner inside the model along that existing horizontal crease. So you're not making any new creases here, you're just flattening everything out along existing creases. And you can see that white triangle is now hidden inside the model. And then to finish it off, we want to fold down the top corner of this white triangle and align it with this bottom edge here. So just fold that corner down until it's aligned with the bottom edge. And you'll want to use the vertical creases as references as well. So once everything is symmetrical, then you can make your crease. And now you've finished your origami cat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my brand new book, Origami Made Easy. It includes step-by-step instructions and video tutorials for 23 simple origami designs, including this one. Plus, it comes with over 150 sheets of origami paper, so it's everything you'll need to get started with origami. The link is in the description below. And as always, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.